What's up, beautiful people, to another Green Thumb family video. I'm back. I'm back, and 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 I'm back. And I'm so excited to be back because we have so much to do together. Now, today is all about my houseplants. As I said on my, thank you, brother. See my son. You see Rain right there. Rain, say hello. Okay, you got Ricky over there. Ricky, say hello. Okay, all right, so yeah, obviously it's a family affair, but nonetheless, like I said on the DKUJ main page, I said that I would be introing back to this channel with my 3-plant haul. Okay, houseplant haul, which this one is actually the perfect time to start talking to you all because my fiddle leaf is dying, and I don't know why. Like, honestly, they said it was a finicky plant to grow and to have, and I'm seeing why they said what they said, and this is the problem that I have right now. Like, I don't know. Now, they did say it can die from watering too much or too little, too much sun, not enough sun, too much heat, too much cold, and I was like, oh my goodness, I'm gonna just do what I do. So I have it here facing here at my window, which is like east facing, so it gets the morning sun and things like that. And then to keep from watering it too much, I then put and incorporated the, boom, right there, there's the spike, okay? That is the terracotta clay spike, with the idea that you put the bottle on top, it seeps the water out slowly but surely, and the roots then could get water from it and go and grow from there. So it's not working out. It's not looking good. Please let me know in the comment section below. What can I do? What should I do to make this thing resurrect to be what I wanted and need it to be, okay? I need your help. Green Thumb family members, that is what this channel is all about. We show, we grow together. Now, here's my second one that I purchased. It's another Fiddle Leaf plant. Okay, now this one is doing a little bit better. We do have quite a bit of browning, which I do understand and know that I bought it at a nursery, and it was outside at the nursery, and I knew when I brought it inside there would be some adjustment to the climate and things like that. So I did expect, excuse me, a little bit of, you know, discoloration, some dying, some growing, some things, some that. But at the end of the day, I don't want it to be how it will grow, right? So this watering system is a little bit different. You can even see like when the leaves have even fallen. That is what it looked like. Again, let me know in the comment section below. How do we grow? How do you grow? How should I grow my fiddle leaf plant to a way that it can grow tall, be flourishing, and productive and healthy? Okay, let me know. So the way this watering system is that there is a hole at the bottom. Let me zoom in on the hole. Boom. There's the hole. Yeah, I put it over there, beautiful. I'm gonna throw it in the trash can. It's no longer good. Okay, so there's the hole at the bottom that I feed water into, with the idea that the roots will grow down, get the water back up, and it will do what it needs to do. Okay, so that alleviates from having water just sitting up here, getting root rot, things like that, getting the flies and gnats and all those different things that could come about when you have like wet soilish type soil. Okay, so that is the benefit of this type of watering system. However, you know, it's a little skinny. There's not a lot of leaves on this fiddle leaf because they've been falling off, dying, and things like that, okay? I showed you the current example, which looks like this, and most of them ultimately do look like this, but I want this to grow, okay? So let's say, Rain, go and grow. Grow and grow. Because at the end of the day, that plant could be taller than all of us, okay? We're all under 6 feet, okay? And we'll put it like that. Don't worry about the exact measurements. We all under 6 feet. However, that plant has the ability to grow over 10 feet at the end of the day with the right pot, okay? So I showed you my first two, and I'm so excited to show you this third one because it's one of my favorites so far, and it's growing so lushfully and beautifully. Let me show you. Okay, beautiful people, so last but not least, my third houseplant that I recently acquired is the oh so beautiful, oh so loved, oh so treasured Swiss plant, okay? The Montessera Delicioso or something like that. Okay, y'all know what it's called, but at the end of the day, the nickname is the Swiss cheese plant. Even though I don't even like Swiss cheese, I felt like I should say the name. Don't you love these? Like, look at this. When I saw this, I could not turn it away. And this is growing so beautifully, so lusciously. And I have the peat moss, you know, pole situation that I have them attached to have it vining and growing up to. It has actually grown quite a bit since I picked it up. And so, you know, we'll be on the journey to see how it grows and things like that. So that if you're ever curious about how it is and what it does and how it grows and all those good things, be on the journey with me. And this watering system is like the one back there. I have the whole situation. Boom shakalaka boom. I feed it in there, it waters, it goes, it grows. We have no problem with this one. And the sun that it receives is a north facing sun. So at the end of the day, you know, it gets shadows. It doesn't get full direct sun like the Fiddle Leaves back there and things like that. Maybe that is my problem. Let me know again in the comment section below. I'm willing and able to learn and grow with you all. So let me know. Those are my 3. And oh my, look at this one. This one is huge. Look at that. This is my hand in the midst of it. Like, it's like 4 of my hands at the end of the day. And it grows so beautifully, so lushly, so fast and quickly at the same time. So, right? So I may even have to like add to the pole, like boom, 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 ultimately. But at the end of the day, those are my 3 latest plant hauls. That's what I do. That's what we do. What we will be doing next on this channel is going out to my garden in the back. I have a raised bed garden that I have other videos about. And I also have a 5-gallon bucket garden that I do as well back there. And I will be planting out the front bed that houses the marigolds for the garden. Okay, if all those things didn't make sense, come back to the video, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, hit that bell notification, because we will be back with more videos. Green Thumb family, I'm so excited to be back with you all. But I love everything green, gardening, and in between. All right, I love you people, and until next time, peace. Get your hands dirty and makes your mind better. Okay.